Sir, actually, I was not well, so didn't get the time to work on that. I will share it by today.
Okay. Others, what shall I consider? Whether you are able to do that or how it will be.
Yes, sir, I completed that, but yeah, I will post in group improvements.
Please speak if you are facing any issues now, so that I can come to know, so that I can give you some solutions or like some suggestions what to do, what not to do. So whether you have done practice or you have not done, you are yet to be done, how it will be. I have seen only Rajalakshmi and I think Naresh and one more who Srivani. Only three. What about others? Please speak, because if you are not able to do like whenever the sessions has been completed, na, then it will be very difficult, because my job is to like keep on explaining and keep on completing the topics and whatever the assignment which I have given. Na, so if you are not able to complete on time, then you will be under huge backlog. You may face lot of issues. What is the issue? Whether you have understood, you have not understood.
Sir, for me, due to my laptop issue, I'm not able to create. Maybe theory part is clear for me. Maybe I will practice my friend's laptop today. Naresh is here with me. So maybe I will practice on his laptop and then I will send today.
Please, because why I am pushing for your sake only. It's not for my sake, because
Ah, yes, sir, yes.
you have paid, you are learning here. So whatever I am explaining now, if you are keep on doing regular now, it will be very easy for you to continue the next topics, because each and every topics are dependent on the previous topics.
Yes, sir, yes.
Because the enterprise structure, after that enterprise structure, you are going to create a material master, you are going to create a business partner. So once it is ready, then we do the main basic configuration of OTC cycle. If these are completed, then you can able to run OTC cycle. Then after OTC cycle, then there are a lot of other business process will be there, right? So many things are there. So better you do continuously and you have to complete on time, please. Okay, Kishore also completed. Fine.
I will complete today and send, sir.
It's okay. Others, please do it. Who are not done, do it today itself and complete it and send the screenshot today itself.
Okay, sir.
Right. Let me share my screen. Today, what I will show you, I will make the fine tune of my org structure. Usually, no one will no one will guide this, because this is not necessary during the practice, but in real time, it is necessary. Okay, because whenever you have copied some company's org structure and their organizational elements also has been copied, and you they are also, that also it is showing in your org structure. I think last I have created, which one, control F, AC 28. Double click this. Let me go and drop down. This is the main structure. You will see company. Okay, under company, you will see the company code. Okay, this is one structure. And controlling area, this is a related to the costing part. Okay, this is related to costing part where costing analysis can be done. Okay, then credit control area, this is a customers credit accounts. Okay, sometimes we may sell on the credit basis, right? That is a credit control area and credit segment. So this also I am going to explain during the FSCM, credit control management. Now, as of now, this is not required. I am going to remove this. I will show how to remove this. And this next is plant. Under plant, you will have a location. Location is not necessary. Okay. And plant storage area. Okay. Then again, plant will be assigned to company code, distribution chain. So shipping point, purchase organization. Purchase organization as of now it is not required. I will explain you about the purchase organization during the third party sales and the IPO sales. Okay, special business process. Next, plant is drop down. Okay, sales organization. Sales organization again, distribution chain is there. Sales organization division is there. Sales organization is assigned to company code. Let me make it fine tune of this. Let's do first removal of controlling area. Okay, where it will be there. Go here, SPRO, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure. Okay, then definition, controlling, maintain controlling area or something it is there, not this. Better go to assignment. Assignment, controlling, assign company code to controlling area. Assign company code to controlling area. Where you have to go to remove the controlling area, this one. Okay. To remove the controlling area, you have to go enterprise structure, assignment. Okay. Under controlling, you have assign company code to controlling area. Execute this. Execute this. See what is the controlling area it is showing? A000. A000. Select this. Double click on this. See, you are seeing the AC28. So many you are seeing because you have created already the enterprise structure. Someone is created, right? I think AL15, AL18. Someone has created. So I am removing mine, AC28. Just delete it. Done. Save. Continue. See, it is asking for the TR number. Just click on this F4 button or this thing, and I'm saying it is AC28 group. See, AC28, right? This one only 89. Double click this. I brought my TR number and I'm saving that configuration in my TR number. Then it is asking continue. Okay, now done. Data has been saved. If you again click, again it will ask. Okay, data already saved. It is showing data already saved. Go back. Go back. Okay. Now what you have to do? So there is a second icon. There is a second icon, refresh icon. Click on this. You will observe this. It will be disappeared. See, gone. Right? You click on the refresh. The credit. So controlling area is gone. Controlling area is gone. Now I will remove the credit control area. Credit control area. Where it will be there? It will be there again. Enterprise structure, assignment, financial accounting, financial accounting, assign company code to credit control area. Assign company code to credit control area. Execute this. Execute this. Check your company code. Which one? AC28. See, AC28 here. If your seat is not visible here, just your click on position, enter AC28, press enter, then it will be take it to the AC28 company code. Here, credit control area 1000, right? See, credit control area is 1000, it is showing. I'm removing this. I'm removing this. Just save. So it is asking for the TR number. I'm using my TR number and then continue. Data has been saved. Okay. Go back. So what you have to do again? You have to do the refresh. If I refresh it, it will be gone. Gone. Now only I have company. Again under company code. In plant, there are plenty of unwanted data. See, location is there. And we are not using any location. And it is not part of our role also, SD role also. I am removing that. Where it will be there? Under definition. Under definition, I think logistics general, define location. So this location, whatever it is, location is there. Enterprise structure, definition, under logistics general, define location. Execute it. Okay. You will see the plant and location. See, AC28 it is there. Anyhow, I'm going to enter here AC28. Enter. See all AC28. Otherwise, you can filter it your only. Click on selection by content, plant, continue, AC28. Select it, you will get yours only. Okay, no others will be there. Just select the all. Select all, select all, delete it. Done. Now save. Clear? Now after deleting, what you have to do? Again, you have to go here, refresh. Click on refresh icon. This will be gone. Right? So now what is there? So you have to see, this is my plant storage area. This is my company code. See distribution chain. This is not my distribution chain. Distribution chain means what? Can someone tell me what is the meaning of distribution chain?
It is a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and plan.
Please loudly. I am unable to hear.
Hello.
Repeat.
Distribution chain, na sir.
Yes.
It is a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and plan.
Correct. It is the combination of the sales organization, distribution channel. For these two, we are assigning a delivering plant. For sales line, what is the sales line? It is a combination of sales organization and distribution channel. For the sales line. So for the sales line, we are assigning a delivering plant. That is called as a distribution chain. See, for you guys, see, I am already working on the interview questions. Let me show you where it is there. Okay, self-prepared notes. Interview question. See, just now, since from morning, I was working on this. So I am preparing again separate interview questions on the enterprise structure for your purpose only. Okay. So I will, once it is completed now, I will keep this in the common drive. So as of now, I have prepared 25. Okay. If possible, we'll see. Again, we'll check. So, but go through this. This may helpful for you to, okay, crack the interviews. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But see, one side only. I'm working on the continuous for your purpose only. If you are not working parallelly, okay, it should be vice versa, right? How I am working, you have to also work and you have to give the results. Whenever I ask questions, whenever I ask something, you have to give the okay response or feedback to me. If you are not answering, then I may not get the results. What is my results? You have to give, you have to become a expertise in the particular subject.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Please, my request is everyone, please do the hard work. Otherwise, so everything will be spoiled and everything will be waste. Okay, my job is see, I may go, I may complete the entire the topic, that is fine. But it will not worth, it will not go worth to me. Okay, fine. So now what I am doing, I am removing this distribution chain, which is not at all belongs to my enterprise structure. Where you will find the the distribution chain assignment, it will be under enterprise structure assignment. Under the assignment, you will see the sales and distribution. Again, sales and distribution, you will see the assign sales organization, distribution channel, and plant. Just click here. Okay, just click here. So, selection by content, plant, continue. What is your plant? AC28. Select this. See, you are seeing two different entries, but my entry is only this. This is not my entry. 1710 is not belongs to me. Because of copy only, it is reflecting here. I am selecting this, deleting this. Done. Save. It is asking TR number. Use the same TR number. Continue. Data has been saved. Okay. Go back. Go back. Again, go to this enterprise structure screen. Sorry. Just refresh this. This also gone. This also gone. Now the next is shipping point. So how to remove this shipping point? Where we are assigning the shipping point? Shipping point will be there in the logistics execution. As I told, whenever there is a word shipping point, whenever there is a word delivery, always remember it is a logistics execution. Logistics execution. Okay. This is logistics execution. Execute. Assign shipping point to plant. Okay. I know how to delete, but I am showing you by this method, it will not allow me to delete. Okay, I want to show you intentionally because I can show you directly by skipping this, but I don't want to do that. I want to show you first this. Okay, so this is my AC28. If I'm seeing here AC28, it is there. Anyhow, if your plant is not visible, those who can do the control F, you will get this pop-up and you have to enter your plant, then click on continue. So it will show you, just click on this first one. You will be directly go to your plant. This is a plant. These three, four are shipping point. So if I select this, if I do this, and if I delete, what it shows, shipping point 1710 still assigned to picking location. I am unable to delete. Let me see this also 171C. Delete. No. Let me show this one, third one. No, same error. Let me go this. It will be, I'm going to able to delete this. I will tell you the reason. Just select AC28, delete, gone. Correct? Again, I can able to assign, right? We can double click this. Again, AC28, select, right? It is done. See, AC28, again I have assigned. Why this not, I am not able to delete? because there is a one separate topic, shipping shipping point, point determination. There is a separate topic, so there are some determinations how shipping point it will be determined automatically. And one more topic is storage location determination. Storage location determination. First one is shipping point automatically determination in the sales order. It will be in sales order. Next is storage location. It is in delivery document. Delivery document. During the picking. During the picking, you will do the assignment of storage location. Whereas during the sales order process, within the material, within the item level data, you will have a shipping point. Okay. Because shipping point is a your plant's exit gate, right? Where you will do the dispatch activity, loading activity. That should be automatically determined in the sales order. How it will be determined? There is a two T codes are there. One is OVL2. OVL2 is the T code to use the shipping point determination, and OVL3 is the T code to determine the storage location. So let me show you shipping point determination. I will explain you during the separate topic. As of now, I'm not going to just shipping point determination is nothing but it is a shipping condition, and combination of shipping condition, loading group, and the delivering plant. This is a shipping point and shipping point and plant and storage condition. So OVL3 is the storage location. How storage location will be determined? It is based on the shipping point, plant, and storage condition. And shipping point will be determined based on the shipping condition, loading group, delivering plant. This I am going to explain during the separate topic. We have a separate topic. Don't worry now, because if I go and explain, then you will be under confusion. So here, which topic? See here, 11th topic, determination, plant, shipping point, storage location, route. So 11th topic, I'm going to explain this again step. Now what I want to show you, I want to show you how to remove this, because I am unable to remove here. Okay, I am unable to remove here. Just go back. Yes, because I have deleted and I have said no, that was asked. Okay, ignore that. Go back. What I have to do, I have to enter the OVL2. OVL2 is the T code to define the shipping point. What is my plant? By content, again, plant. What is my plant? AC28. Select it. See, for AC28, so many shipping points has been assigned, right? See, as I told, it is a combination of shipping condition, loading group, and the plant. See, shipping condition, loading group, and the plant. Plant is nothing but a delivering plant only. So for these three combination, we are going to maintain our shipping point. So total, there is a one more interview questions. Total, how many proposed shipping point is there, and how many manual shipping points are possible to assign? So we have total 11 plus 1. 11 manual shipping point, one proposed shipping point. You can count here. Okay, by scrolling to right side, you can count the manual shipping point. 11 plus 1. Okay. Now what I am doing? I am deleting all those things. Select all. I have selected all. Delete this. Done. Gone. Save. Is asking TR. Continue. Done. Data was saved. Go here again. Try now. Try now to delete. Where you have to go? Open new window. SIMG. That is nothing but a SPRO plus IMG. Enter. Enterprise structure. Assignment. Logistics execution. Assign shipping point. Yes. Okay. It is showing my name. I have to come out of this screen. Okay. If you are getting this error, okay, because already it is locked by my ID. Okay. Continue. Go back, try again. So it is gone. It is this time it is not asked. So here my plant, here the shipping point. Try now whether you are able to delete it or not. Select this and click on the delete. Again, it is showing. Why? I have deleted in OVL2 only. I have not deleted in OVL3. Let us go and do OVL3 also. If I use OVL3, it will show already it is locked by user something. See, it is locked by user. Why? Because I have opened this. Okay, go back. Sometimes if it is asking na, what you have to do, let me show you. Now I am opening this. Okay, what you have to do? Can tell me someone, anyone is having idea? If you are getting this like this, what you have to do?
Mm, there is one T code for that, right?
Yes, tell me what is that T code?
Uh,
Because
Unable to.
yeah, because you are 10 people, right? You are using the same server. Sometimes someone will use same thing only, and you are getting their user IDs, right? What you have to do? You have to use SM12. SM12 is the T code to unlock. Okay, for example, you are getting some username 17 or something. For example, this is the 17, like that you remember. Okay, just assume that it is a 17 user they have opened in their screen. Just go and search here. Okay, just go and search here. She will get like this. Just select all and delete it. Delete it. Okay, for them, maybe for them, those who are open na, for them it will be disappeared, that screen will be disappeared, but usually you should not do that. But whenever you want your system to be executed, right, that transaction code you want to be executed, just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. If you are again getting the same issue, then you have to do this. Okay, otherwise don't do usually. Okay, because everyone will do same thing only. Then for them, if they are doing some configuration, huge configuration, then it is very difficult for them, right? So every setting, all settings, whatever they have entered manual data, it will be vanished. Again, they have to start from the beginning. So we write down the T codes. Whenever I'm saying this T codes, na, you have to write down somewhere. Okay, OVL3, enter. See now, even though my system is opened here, so sorry, it's got deleted. No problem. Even though my system has opened the T code, I am able to enter into this T code also. Selection by contents, plant, select here, EC28, select. See, so many storage location. What I was told, what is the storage location determination definition? It is the combination of shipping point plant, and the storage condition. Shipping point, plant, and the storage condition. For these three combination, we are assigning our storage location. With this only, whenever you go to OVL01, right? For example, I will show you T code VL02N, enter, just randomly take any code, just this is the delivery number. Okay, see here, whatever the storage location is there now, no need to manual enter. Okay, you can get the automatic determination. This is the setting where you have here. I will explain you again, don't worry. What you have to do, just select all, delete, done, save. Again, it will ask for the TR number. Use the same name TR number and save. Okay. Now go back. Try to do the removal now. Where you have to do the removal again. SIMG enterprise structure assignment logistics execution assign shipping point to plant. So this is my plant. I'm scrolling up. Okay. So select this, delete this, gone. Select this, delete this, gone. Select this, delete this. Now three unwanted, like irrelevant shipping point has been removed. Now save. It's asking TR number. Use the same TR number and save the data. It is done. Now you come this screen, enterprise structure screen, EC01. So just observe, I am doing the refresh. These three will be gone. Gone. Now only one thing is left, that is purchase organization. Purchase organization will be assigned to plant. Purchase organization will be assigned to plant. See, these are all related to mine only. There is no any issue in the sales organization. Only the last element is I have to remove this sales organization. Then this enterprise structure is pakka mine only. There are no others, copies, anything is there. Okay. Let me go where I have to do the removal of purchase organization. It will be okay. It will be under plant will be sorry, purchase organization will be assigned to plant. Okay. So again, enterprise structure, assignment, material management. Under the material management, you have the second option, assign purchasing organization to plant. Just whenever you enter into the screen, always remember key scroll will be full dead end. Okay, you have to bring it to the left side. Okay. See, you can see here your plant is assigned to 1710 sales purchase organization. So otherwise you can select again, select by content, click on plant. If there are full of this datas, just you have to do like this. See, only one entry is there. Select this, delete this, save. Use the same TR number, data has been saved. So now I am doing again refresh. You can observe this. This will be vanished or will be gayab. So gone. Now this is my Pakka enterprise structure. It is belongs to only AC28. There are no other unwanted this thing. If you go again double click, you can see only company, plant, sales organization. Only three entries. Under if you drop down, you can see company code. If you drop down again, you can see the expanded. You can see your own plants related assignment. Okay, plant is assigned to company code and plant. Under the plant, we are maintaining the storage area, right? AC01, AC02, two storage area, right? And plant is also assigned to your sales line. Sales line is nothing but a sales organization plus distribution channel. Okay. And again, there is a sales area. Okay. So under sales area, you will see the sales office. Again, sales area. Again, sales group. Okay. So again, shipping point. Then shipping point is assigned to plant. Again, sales organization. So again, sales organization. You will see the distribution chain. So then distribution chain is assigned to plant. Again, this is a sales area. Again, sales area, you will have a sales office. Again, sales area. Again, sales group. This sales group is assigned to sales office. So this is a pure your data only. It is not at all. No others data will be available. Clear, guys? Any doubt in this?
No, sir, as of now.
And this one, no one will, okay, no one will train or no one will explain about this removal and fine tuning of the org structure, because I also saw many, like I have also taken the many trainings, but no one has guided me about this. I learned from my own, okay, experience, and I am using my experience. I am guiding to others. What, Kishore? Correct me if I am wrong.
Yes, sir.
So many things. Anyone has know about this? How to remove, how to do that?
No, sir.
Right. Sure. So this is how you have to fine tune your org structure. Shall I go next topic, that is master data and transactional data? Okay,
Yes.
fine, fine. So now we have completed this topic. Let us go to the master data and transactional data. Okay. Can anyone tell me what is the master data and what is the transactional data in just any, like it's your own, like how you can explain, how you can, like just your own, like whatever you have the knowledge, just share me that knowledge, no problem. What is the master data and what is the transactional data? Just take a day to, like in daily life, whatever you are doing, you are using so many apps, right? So many apps you are using. I have given the hints, right? And moreover, our even though the government proofs also proof, that also it is having some data. No idea? No problem. Get idea 5G. Then only you will get the, just joking. Eh? So master data, think about your PAN card. Think about your Aadhaar card. In Aadhaar card and in PAN card, what are all the data which is available? Like your name, your date of birth, right? Your address, your email ID, your mobile number, right? All the data which is available within your Aadhaar card and PAN card. This is about the government documents, right? Legal documents are your ID proofs. And whatever the data which is stored, it is one time activity, right? It is stored centrally, and whenever you required, you are pulling those data into the system, like day-to-day transaction, whenever you do the transactions, right? So for example, another example I am giving you, Just see, you are using Swiggy, Zomato, right? Flipkart and Amazon, right? Platform. What you are doing? First time, whenever you are doing opening that account, you are entering your, you are doing the registration, right? During the registration, what are all the data you are entering? You are entering your name, right? Your mobile number, right? Your email ID, then address, right? Then you are linking your phone pay, right? Phone pay account or something. It is one time activity, right? So
Yes, sir.
whatever you are doing the one time activity, whatever the data which is using for one time purpose, that is a must data. Simple. Are you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is centrally storing, right? You are not able to again go and whether you are able, whether you are entering the each and every time address, whether you are
No.
entering the each and every time your name, email ID, no, right?
No.
So whenever you are ordering something, just you are selecting that. Once you select, automatically your address details, your phone number, everything will be updated automatically from because it is stored in the centrally in the backend. Only you are pulling that data during the transactional. When what is the transactional? Whenever you are placing a different orders, you are placing a right pizza, you are placing a like gobi manchuri, right? Whenever you are ordering something in the Amazon, sorry, Swiggy and Zomato app, so you are pulling your centrally stored data. Whatever you are ordering, that is a transactional data. Whatever you are pulling the data, which is centrally stored, that is must data. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And must data, it cannot be changed frequently, right? It cannot be changed frequently. We can do whenever we want to update. For example, your mobile has lost, right? Your mobile lost, you lost the mobile and you lost the SIM card also. So what you will do again, you will purchase a new SIM card, then your mobile number will be get updated, right? Then what you will do, again you are logging into your credentials of Swiggy and Zomato, you are updating the new mobile number. But you are not doing regularly, right? It is a frequently, whenever it is necessary. That is the functionality of the master data. Wherever the necessary is there, you are updating. For example, if you have changed your house address, if you relocated to new location, then you are updating your new address. And old address, whether you can keep it or you can delete it. It is up to you. So, but transactional data, because every time you are ordering same thing, no, right? Today you are ordered for the right pizza. Tomorrow you may order for the gobi manchuria or something, right? So keep on changing the orders, and whenever you are placing an order, every time the order number will be changes, and every time your price amount is getting changed, right? Price also not fixed, and order the combination of orders items also getting changed, and order number also changed. That is a transactional data. Let's I have explained the general thing. Now go to the SAP. Go to the SAP. Whenever you are maintaining a customer master, whenever you are maintaining a material master, right? What you are doing there in the customer master, you are entering the who is the customer, what is his name, right? What is his address, right? What is his telephone number, what is his fax number, what is his email ID, right? What is his bank account number, right? What is his GST registration number, right? Those kind of data, whatever you are maintaining, that is a customer master. And why we maintain those things? because whenever you are going to create a sales order or inquiry or quotations, right? Whether you are entering every time manually, is it possible to do every time? How much burden it is, right? Every time if you enter his name, his address, his email ID, his phone number, that is a additional job, right? So to avoid repeated entries, what we are doing in SAP, we have a certain master datas. What are all those? So main important, see, let us go one by one here. Master data. Okay, today's topic is master data and transactional data. Okay, so master data, it is a data which is created and stored centrally. This centrally stored data can be used repeatedly in day-to-day business transactions. What are all those day-to-day business transactions? Inquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery, billing, right? Those day-to-day transactions, I am using my master data whenever it is required. जब भी आपको जरूरत है, you will upload the master data. Then master data cannot be changed frequently. As I explained, you are not going to change frequently. It can be done only whenever there is a necessary, right? If customer says, "Arey boss, my office address has been changed. My registered address has been changed, and my telephone number also changed. My email ID also changed." Then they will intimate to you. What you will do? You will go to the change transaction. Then again you are updating as per their mail communication. So it is not happened every time. It is when and only required. So advantage of, what is the advantage of master data? As I said, it will avoid the repeated entries in the manually, right? Manually, you cannot able to do the entries. Like who will do the manual entries? Usually, who will do the transactional data? The user, right? End user, whoever maybe the business user is there, they are doing daily transactions. They do create inquiry. They do create more than like 50 inquiries, 50 quotations, right? And daily there may be 100 of sales order will be there, and those sales order will be converted into delivery orders. And already like those delivery order exists, logistics team is doing the picking and packing and loading, right? Once picking packing done, there will be a like PGI, right? After PGI again there are a lot of billing process. Think about the big companies, how many orders will be there, right? How many process will be there. So during those day-to-day transaction, if you are going to enter manually those data, so how many, see how much time you are wasting, right? To reduce that burden, to minimize your time, so the master data will be used in the transactional data. Example, enterprise structure, right? Whether you can able to enter every time sales area, then enter your sales group, sales office manually. Is it possible every time? No, right? It is again, it is maintained in the within the customer master, sometimes within the material master also. From those masters, whenever you are those masters you are using in the sales order or inquiry and quotation, it will be automatically, okay, data will be reflected in the day-to-day transactional data. And very importantly, there are some master data, very important master data in sales and distribution model, which we are going to learn in very few minutes. That is, first is a customer master. That is nothing but a, in earlier ECC they used term as a customer master or vendor master, right? So now in S4HANA, that customer master and vendor master and other like freight forwarder master, right? So all the terminology is become a one terminology. The combined it is called as a business partner. Okay. Second one is material master. Third one is customer material info record. And fourth one is condition master. In condition, so we have a condition technique. I will explain you what is the condition technique and whatever the maximum determinations are there. So let me show you the determination procedures. So whatever this various determination, 16th chapter is there. Those all are working on condition technique only. And condition technique, it is a methodology. It is a tool to obtain your valid condition record into the various documents. Okay. That technique is having a 6 to 7 steps, common 6 to 7 steps that will be followed in all the determination process. Even though material listing, material determination, free goods, sales revenue account determination, tax determination, output determination, these all are will be same working on the condition technique. This condition technique will have 6 to 7 steps, common steps, and it is very easy to, okay, once you learn, it is very easy to understand. And this technique also, it is used for the pricing procedure determination. And always this pricing procedure is there, it is a heart of the sales and distribution model. This is a heart of the sales and distribution model, and enterprise structure is a backbone of the sales and distribution model. Okay. And these are all the key organizational structures, key data structures. These are all the nerve systems. Think that these are all the nerve systems. So I'm going to explain each and every one. Don't worry on the each like. So this explanation part, right, and the knowledge sharing part, I will explain you each and everything. Okay. So now this is the about the master data. If you have any questions, you can ask. Naresh, Akash, Kishore, Mani, Nagesh, Rajlakshmi, Sanket, Shriya, Shiva.
No question, sir.
No question.
No questions. Hope everything is clear, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Great, 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 great. So transactional data. So transactional data also very simple. It is a data which will change very often. Why it will change very often? Whenever you create inquiry first time, right? The inquiry will be, it is inquiry number will be 1. And whenever again you create a inquiry 2, again this will be inquiry number 2. And inquiry 1 will have some materials. Okay. For example, material 1, material 2, material 3. But whereas in inquiry 2, only material 3 is not there, material 1 or material 2 is not there. Right? So that's why transactional data, which is oftenly change and which is not constant. Because sometimes you may order like pani puri or sev bhaji, right? Sometimes you may order pizza burger. So that order keep on changing that order number also and keep on changing that price also. The net price will be always change based on your selection of items. So that's why the transactional data is a data which will change very often and which are not constant, which are associated to daily business transactions. Daily business transaction is nothing but a inquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery, right? And delivery also you may do the partial delivery, right? If they have given the 50 order quantity, since your stock is only 20 quantity, then you will do the partial delivery of 20 quantity. Again, the transactional data got changed. Billing. Billing also, whenever you see the billing document, for each partial delivery, you will have a one billing document. So this is about the transactional data, and transactional data is not constant. Every time it changes and are different. Example, daily business transaction such as when a sales order is saved, the number is generated which is not constant. Similarly, inquiry also. Similarly, quotation also. Similarly, delivery order also. Similarly, the billing document also. Each time whenever you are saving that document, the number, whatever the number which is generating, that is not same. It is keep on changing. Right? So I have mentioned the transactional data here: inquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery order, and billing. This is about the mass data and the transactional data. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
No. Right. So today again I am taking the first master data. Master data. That is, first one is business partner. Business partner. It is nothing but a in our SD. Who is our business partner? Our partner is customer. Customer is always God, right? Whatever he says, we have to accept blindly. Because with our customer, business cannot be run. So customer is the God who gives money to us. He will purchase the material, then material will be converted into money with some profit. That profit can be utilized for further expansion of the company, further growth of the company, right? So with that profit, you can again build one more company. So because of that, we are always trusting on the customer that he is a God. Okay. Let me explain about the business partner. Why business partner? The terminology is come into the picture. Who is business partner? The name itself, it describes business and partner. There is a business and he is the partner of your business. Right? Do you agree or not? You are doing business. You are running one company and there are partners. Partners means only those who have invested, right? Not that partner. Those who are doing the business with your company, those are also a partner because they are purchasing your product, right? They are purchasing your product and they are investing indirectly by sharing your profit. Like they are giving profit to your company, right? So they become the business partner. Simple word. What is the business partner? The business partner is one who does the business with company or your business, your enterprise or your business. The definition is simple. The business partner is one who do the business with your company or your organization or your business. He may be a person, right? He may be a company holder. He may be a company holder also. He may be a group company holder also. Sometimes I can say there might be a freight forwarder also, because he's he's doing the business with you for the transportation, right? Freight forwarder also is the business partner, right? And person, the employee, your sales guy, that also he may be a business partner, company holder, like the company, those who have a some retail companies or wholesale companies, that also, and group company. For example, you are the manufacturer of, right? You are the manufacturer of tires, right? You are manufacturing the tire products. Tires will be used where? In various motors company. Tata Motors, like Tata is a group company. So sometimes Tata Group company, they may purchase the tires from your company. So group company here, it becomes a customer for you. Freight forwarders, those who do the transportation from one place to another place, that also he become a customer, customer for you. So he may be a person, he may be a company holder, he may be a group company, it may be a freight forwarder. So these persons, these like partners are called as a business partners, and they do the business with your company. They do the business with your company. So they may do the transactional sales transaction with your company. So that is called as a business partner. Okay. And customer. Here, sorry, anyone is asking something? Someone is asking something? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right, right. Because something voice is coming. Okay. And here in BP configuration, so whenever, if you talk about the configuration part, whenever we configure the business partner, configuration of configurational steps of business partner, BP. Okay. There are majorly seven steps we have. Okay, actually I can say 3 steps only. Very important step. 3 steps are, okay, first step. Let me take the first step. How do we configure the business partner in the system? Mainly this part, business partner configuration is for your selecting the account group. I will tell you what is account group, because account group is only required for the particular field selections. Account group is used for the field selections and type of the customer, and BP grouping. There is a BP grouping is also there. That is BP account. That is for your BP number range. Okay. Since we are creating the customer first as a general role. Okay. There are multiple role is there. Let me explain the role of the customer. Initially, the business partner is a normal. Is not neither customer nor a vendor. Let me connect 1 minute. My battery is low. Okay. So initially, the business partner is neither a customer nor a BP will be created under general. First, we are creating under general. First, we are creating under general role. General role. Just he is a business partner. Still, we have not decided whether he is a customer or he is my vendor. Okay. But now second, we are extending this. We are extending this business partner, means general, in general what we will do, just we will enter his name, and we will enter his address, and enter his telephone number, and enter his email id, fax number, everything. Then just we are saving the general data. Here the general data will be updated. Second, this business partner of general role, okay, it will be extended to a company code role. Company code role. Whenever company code comes in the, okay, company code words come in the business scenario, always think that key company code is part of which module? It is a FI module. So FI role. What you will do under FI role? You will just register this customer to your company code, because the customer, you are going to create a new JL account for his customer. So that's why this customer will be assigned to a particular company code under some GL code, because whatever this customer is doing the transaction, right? He is purchasing, like he is buying the material from your end. So that customer outstanding will be reflected in the particular GL account, where you will capture the customer outstanding, right? There should be some separate books of account, right? That account you are maintaining here, and you are assigning the BP to company code and to the particular GL account. Third is very important. Now, after these two role extension, now this BP, business partner, is become your customer by extending it to your SD role. Sales and distribution role. Sales and distribution role. Here what you will do? You will do the SD role. You will assign, let me mention this also, assign company code to BP. Here assign sales area to, now I will call as a customer. You can say here also customer, because once he enrolled into the company, he will become a customer of the company, and he will become a customer of your sales organization. So BP role, okay, here BP role details. Here BP role code. What is that code? For general, it is 6 zeros. Okay. For general role, it is a 6 zeros. For company code or FI role, it is FLCU00. I will explain you what are all those. Okay. Don't worry. And here FLCU01. Customer 00, customer 01. Okay. Remember these three codes. For general, it is a 6 zeros. For company code, it is a FLCU00. For SD role, it is FLCU0. This is about the role. And come to the configurational step. As I explained, as I explained, there are three main steps. Under the three main steps, we have a sub steps also. One, BP grouping. There is a first is BP grouping. Under this, the first step is create BP grouping. Okay, create BP grouping first, and second, B is create create number ranges for BP grouping. This BP grouping, why it is required? It is to define or assign. We are going to create this general role under this BP grouping. First, whatever this 000 is there now, we are going to create under this grouping. Okay, I will show you how to do this. Don't worry, it is very simple steps. You will find initially it is a complicated, but it is not complicated after practicing many times. Next, you have created BP grouping, you have created the number ranges. Always this number range will be, think that it is internal number range. I will explain you what is the internal number range and what is the external number range. After number creating, we have to, what we have to do? Assign. We have to do the assign, means linking. Assign number range, what we call BP grouping number range to BP grouping. Better I will remove this BP grouping, okay, because you will be under confusion again. Assign this number range, above number range to this number range to this. Okay, let me take this. Okay, this BP grouping I will create and I will tell you what is that BP grouping and what is the number range, then this assignment. This is the first step. And for this, we are following one common path. What is that? SPRO, SPRO, SPRO. Next is IMG, IMG, and this will be done in cross application component. Just remember cross application component. This path. Then later there are under cross application component, there will be a multiple path will be there. If you remember this first path only, then it is easy to remember other path. Okay, this is a first step. Let me go and to the next step. Here next step will be customer account group. Customer account group. This is required for your further extension of the BP to company code and sales and distribution. So when we see the real configuration in the system, then only you can able to understand. Now I'm writing the theory part. Just understand, that's it. Okay. Now for this SPRO IMG, here the customer account group always in the first part is what? FI, right? That FI part you have to remember. Financial accounting. Under this node, we will have this. See, create, create, assign. These three steps will be same. Only we are changing the names. Create, customer, customer, customer account group. Second, create number range for, instead of BP grouping, it is customer account group. Simple, very simple. It is external number range. Why external number range? I will tell you. Okay. And assign this above number range to the customer account group. Okay. So this is the second step. Last step, third step. Here I will take this better because the path is same. Third step, it is master data synchronization. Master data synchronization, the path is same. SPRO IMG cross application component. What we will do here, actually, here we will do customer vendor integration. Usually, since we as a sales, we will do only customer integration. We call it as, this will be called as a CVI. This will be in short term, it will be called as CVI. C means customer, V means vendor, I means integration, CVI. Here we will do only customer integration. Customer integration, integration with business partner. With business partner, what we will do, the BP grouping and customer account group, both will be combined, and combined and we will maintain the same number range. Same number. We do combination of this account group and this account group. We do combine and we will maintain the same number. Means whatever the number range which is having in the BP grouping, same number has to be maintained in the customer group also. And whenever I create my BP on customer, the same number has to be come into my customer master. Let me show you this configuration. Okay, just understand this step. This will be called as a configurational stepping, is called as a grouping. It will be called as a grouping code. You can say grouping code. And transaction code to create the customer master or BP master. T code to create BP is business partner is BP. Okay. Till this, any doubt? Because you are not able to understand, I can understand. Okay, these steps. Now I am, after showing these steps in the configuration, that in the SAP system, you are able to capture these steps. This step also I will show you, and this step also I will show you. Okay, don't worry. Then only you can able to capture this. Okay. Now I will go to BP transaction. Just I want to show you. Okay. As I explained, as I explained, the business partner. He may be a person, he may be a company holder. Company holder is nothing but it is a organization. 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 See, a person or a organization or group. What is that group? It is a group company. Okay. So this can be a business partner. And if I go to the organization, so normally we do create wholesale retailer under organization only. If you click on create, okay, you will have a role, right? Create BP role. Role is nothing but a this. As I said, 000000. It is a see 000000. What is that? Business partner general. See business partner general. If you click on F, it will take you to the FLCU00. What is this? Customer under financial accounting. That is FI. If you select this automatically, it will take you to the company code view. Right? Here, company code. If you click on this, you will assign your company code to the customer. Then go to FLCU01. If you click this, it will be taken to the SD, sales and distribution. Here you will assign sales area. So these three steps. Next, whatever I have explained this grouping code, this is a here. See grouping. Here you will get like this grouping code. Now I am going to create this grouping code. Okay. This grouping code, your grouping code will reflect here. Earlier I created see AS28 grouping. This one. I am going to create similar grouping code now by using these steps. Why we have to create these steps? Let me explain you by showing this configuration. Slash n. It is a easy access screen. Go to SPRO IMG, SIMG, enter. What is the first step? First step is configuration step, that is BP grouping creation. Create BP grouping, create number range, assign number range to grouping. So let us do this. What is the path? SPRO IMG. Next is cross application component. See, cross application component next to the enterprise structure only. Why I have written this? Because it is easy to remember. It is easy to remember. If you remember this step, it is very easy to remember next steps. Cross application component. After that, go directly to SAP business partner. Under the SAP business partner, you have a business partner. So under the business partner, you have a basic settings. Okay, these basic settings, the next node is number ranges and groupings. Click on this. First is define number ranges. Define number ranges. See, define number ranges here. And second one is define grouping. Define grouping and assign number ranges. Let's go one by one. Here, instead of create, I will mention as a bracket. I will mention define, because as per the SAP node, I will mention as a define only. define BP grouping. Okay. Define BP grouping. Click on this. Ignore this assign number range part. Just think that this is only define groupings. Click on this. Okay. You will get screen like this. Okay. You will get screen like this. Go to here. Click on new entries. Okay. Now my company code I have what I have created. I have created AC28. I am taking the same grouping name or grouping code. I will mention here short name BP grouping for AC28. Okay. Here space again full details is grouping BP grouping for AC28. Okay. Now I am not assigning the number range. I am keeping blank because I have not yet created the number range. Click on the save. What is the entry? One is a grouping, another is a short name, another is a description of the grouping name. Click on the save button. It is asking for the TR number. You will use same TR number. Continue. Now this step is over. What is that? I will mention here. Better AC 28 is my BP grouping. Go back. I am not assigned, I have not assigned the number ranges. Now I am going to create first number ranges. Define number ranges. Define number ranges. This one. Instead of create, I will mention it is in bracket. This one. Okay. Same SPRO, same path. You are under number ranges and grouping. Here the second step is define number ranges. This one. Click on the execute button. See, you will see the three different tabs. One is a display, another is a change, another is a NR status change. Now, first we will see the display. Okay, what are all the number ranges they have maintained. So here we cannot able to edit. Okay, here we cannot able to edit. Only we can see the free interval number range. What are all the number ranges? Already they have maintained. Someone has maintained the number range code is 01, where he has maintained the serial number 1 to 999999. So he has only see till day. NR status means till date. As of now, under this serial number is only 100 customers. Serial number 100 customers has been created. Means one first customer 1, second customer 2, like this. Currently it is showing 100 numbers. Okay, see here also someone has used one all zeros series. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 6 zeros. It means he has created only 9 customers. So don't use huge numbers. Hardly how many customer you can able to create for the practice? Hardly 2 or 3 or 4, maximum 5. Okay, if you are using only 5 customers, why you are creating so many number ranges? You should not do that. Okay, because there are other practice, like other members also, they do the practice, right? They should not. Again, if you create same number range, system will not take. That is the issue. Okay, because of that, try to avoid the maintaining the more number ranges. Now go back and click on here change interval. So here you can able to edit here. See, you can able to edit. Now what I'm doing, someone has created and there is a blank. Okay, delete this. It is unwanted. Yes, left blank. Okay. Now wherever 0 is showing na here, the number range they have given, and they have given the, if you ticked it, it is external. If you unticked, it is a internal. See, I have told right here the internal number range. Right? Internal. If it is unticked, unticked means it is internal. Okay, if it is ticked means external. I will explain you the internal and external later when I create the BP. Now, as of now, see here zero is maintained. Zero is there showing NR status. Someone has created this. No one has used the this number range. Then waste. And someone has created this also. No one has used. Someone has created this. No one has used. Wherever the zero is showing, internal is maintained. No one has utilized this. Shall I do one thing? Shall I use this P2? This P2. I will use the same number because no one has utilized this. I will use this or this. Better I will use this one only. I will do one thing here. 101 is there, right? Here I will change this number to 101. Okay, better I will give 100 to 110. Only 10 customer is enough. 100 to 110 means it is start my number range will be starting from 13 series and last digit will be 100, 101, 102, 110 like that. Only 10 customer I can able to create. Now I am using the same number only. Save this. So you are getting pop-up like this. Continue. If you want to create your new number range, what you have to do? Just go click on here free intervals. Continue. You can see these many free intervals are there. These many free intervals are there. For example, I am going to maintain one new number range that is start with 1 2 series, that is 1000 to again it is 1 3 series it is showing. I will change later. Okay, just select this. I'm giving the number range as AC. Select this and continue. See, your AC has brought here. What you have to do? Untick this, copy this, here paste here. I'm 1002. I'm using only 10. Enter. Try to save it. That the changes were saved. Data has been changed. You can use this or you can use this also. Let us use this. I want this thing. Okay, guys, already 20:40. Is it okay to continue or shall I continue tomorrow?
So you can continue
Sir,
tomorrow.
you can continue tomorrow.
Right.
Actually,
Already,
it's running over.
yeah, it's already overhead, right?
Yeah.
Overwhelmed. No problem. We'll continue tomorrow again, starting with this. Okay. No problem. Any doubt?
No, as of no, sir.
Others?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, sir. Like how
Fine.
many business partners we are creating? Number
Sorry.
ranges?
Uh,
Like basically is number ranges. How many business partners we are creating? Or like I'm confused.
see, normally in
Hmm.
in practice, practice, normally how many you are able to create? Maybe 3 or 4 customers you can use in your sales order, right?
Right.
So in that case, if it is so, don't create huge number range.
Um,
Because why I am saying means if someone wants to same number range and that number range should not be overlapped because someone wants to create instead of AC, he wants to create BC, right? And you can utilize the same number range. If I use the same number range, it will show the number range is overlapped. That also I will show you tomorrow how the error will be coming during the number range maintenance. Then it will be frustrated to every users. If you maintain the less number range, then parallelly they can continue with the same number range with the continued number. Instead of this 10 is there, right? They can start to creating another number range from 11 to 20. If you maintained here 999, they cannot utilize, right? They cannot utilize this number range. Now, if I explain theoretically, you will not going to understand. Let me show you by creating a 1 BP after maintaining all these settings.
Okay, sir.
Okay, as of now, just this much only you have to understand. Then once we go to the practical, then you will understand the entire scenario.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys, if you don't have any questions, we'll stop here. We'll continue tomorrow. I think hope you have learned. So master data and transactional data, and you gain some knowledge on this part, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Have a happy evening and good night.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. Yes, Mani, Nagesh, and Suchita. Mani, Nagesh, Suchita.
Yes, sir.
Any issues? ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಂತ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಷನ್ ಲಿಂತ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಓಕೆ, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಸರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಷನ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಾನು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಲ್ದಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ನಾನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಲೀರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಏನಿದ್ರೆ 4.5 to 5 ಆರಾಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಶರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರಿ,
ನೀವು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಹಿಡಿಯೋರ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್, ಓಕೆನಾ? Now you are switching into the IT, not into IT. It is management only. Management to system develop ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಏನ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನು? ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಸ್ವಿಗ್ಗಿ ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಡಾಟಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಜನರಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ SAP ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, he will more than happy interviewer. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವನ್ ಏನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕಂತಾನೆ, ಓ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಮೇನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಏನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ. ಅದೇ SAP. ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಂತ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಪೇಪರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ಹಂಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ERP ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ SAP ಅನ್ನೋದು. ERP ನಲ್ಲಿ SAP ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ಮೂವರು, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನೌ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫ್ರೆಶರ್, you can connect me on weekends. If you are not able to understand, again connect me. We'll do connect each other, and again I will explain you in own terminology. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ you have to understand the concept. You have to able to do the transaction independently.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because you have paid already money, it should be worth for after learning.
Yes.
And anywhere you do the job in any industry, because since you are into mechanical, you do wherever you work, everywhere SAP is there.
Okay.
I don't think it will not be a worthless.
Yes.
Yes.
I think already you have taken the internship, right? Already
Huh.
some
Yes.
industry, that industry also they are using the software, right?
Yeah, sir.
Might be ERP, maybe it is instead of SAP. Some small company, if they don't have money, huge cost investment, they may go for the other ERP system. But SAP, everyone will prefer because it will integrate each and every department.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay. Thank you.
you are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
But practice more. Try to
Yes.
complete the assignment before
Okay.
before joining tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Spend time. Any issue is there? Any like you are already overloaded with other works?
No, sir.
Right. And do practice, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Right, right.
ಮಣಿ
ಏನ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ರೆ
ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗ ನಂದು ಇದು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರ
ನಂದ್ ಹಾಕ್-
ಇದು ಏನಂತಾರಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾ ವಿವರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗ
ಹಾ
ಅದ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಂದು ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ಯದ ಪೂರಾ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ.
ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ?
ಅದು ಪೂರಾ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಒಳಗಿನ ಇದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೋ ಏನೇನೋ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ.
ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ
ಹಾ ಅದು ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ಇದು ತಗೋರಿ,
ಸರಿ ಸರ್.
ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದು ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾ ವಿವರ್ ಒಳಗ.
ಹ್ಞೂ ಹ್ಞೂ
ಇಡ್ಲಿ.